Hello folks, here's another exciting recipe. What we got here is Chimichanga, Pierce College style in Canoga Park. If you're a Pierce College alumni, you must watch this video. This is a multi-recipe video coming up. This is just a preview. We got French onion soup here, and we got some pot roast beef called Jargo in Armenian recipe. It is a recipe you must see and taste. And we got, of course, our chimichanga that's going to be served with some sour cream. If you want to learn how to do this, I'm going to have a series of video coming up very soon. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so once I post this video it comes out. Chimichanga, Pierce College style, and with French onion soup. It has a little twist to it. It's the Dino Val bone twist. You must try this. So we'll see you in the next video.
Soup was amazing. I drank every last drop.
And that's what's left.